Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using this Wix for a while now, but you are suddenly going through a payment not working. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of them steps needed so we can fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet of course. Go and look for wix.com. Then we're gonna open the website from here or from basically wix.com. Then you should basically just log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go to the settings so we can open this menu. We have this finance and payments. We're gonna take a look at this. We're gonna go all the way to accept payments. So basically this is where you decide where do you want the payments that the customers give you. If basically if you want manual payments, it allows you to accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. You can also go ahead and connect PayPal. If you want more options, just tap see more payment options and connect whatever you want. You should also make sure your provider is connected and fully available in your region. Check your business info. Ensure your business details, bank account, and even all supported countries are all correct. Mismatch can block live payments, we all know that. Currency and region compatibility, confirm the currency you are charging is supported by your gateway and your country. You should also do a small test with sandbox mode. Turn on test mode on Stripe or even PayPal and run a test payment to isolate the issue. Then review the checkout settings, and that's basically it. You should basically also look for any error message if there is any. Try to update any Wix app or plugins if you are using some. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.